Hello guys and welcome back to Computer Bytes. My name is Aoyemi Victor. So in this video I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to explain in detail how Shopify store design works. Most especially if you are a startup developer or you are new to Shopify store design and development. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and let's get started. Now, when we are talking about Shopify store design, it's all about building a professional e-commerce stores that is going to generate sales at the end of the day. So Shopify store is all about building a responsive website, creating a professional website whereby customers they can come there and make purchase for their goods, for the service, maybe the service you are rendering or the particular goods you are offering. So there are different products and services which you can be offering on your e-commerce stores, ranging from fashion and design to beauty to accessories to electronic gadgets and several categories like that and more. Now, as a web developer, you need to understand how to go about building a professional and a responsive Shopify store website for your client. So if you are new to Shopify store design, I often heard like most startup developers usually have issues building a responsive website for their clients, and which is why you need to first have a better understanding on how to build an high converting Shopify store website that is going to generate sales at the end of the day. Because the problem is that it's not the issue is not only about building a website, but your website needs to like have a better conversion rate for your client at the end of the day. Apart from you having a store website set up, designing a responsive website, your website needs to be high converting. And these are some of the things that you need to understand as a professional web developer, most especially as a Shopify expert. Now, talking about making money or working as a working on Shopify to make money for yourself or to build to generate a passive income for your organization. There are a lot of services which you can render as a freelancer or as a web developer. The number one is you can work as a Shopify web designer. So we have web designer and we also have web developer. There is a big difference between a Shopify web designer and a Shopify web developer. As a designer, your job and your responsibility is to design a professional website for your client. So take for instance, you go to stores like Jumia, you go to stores like Amazon, like Bunga. All these websites, they are designed, they are uniquely designed by website designers. But web developers they include the backend developers, they include those people who add certain features and functionalities to the Shopify stores. So, and as a Shopify web developer, if your aim is to work as a Shopify web developer, you need to understand the Shopify programming language, which is Liquid. So you need to understand how Liquid work, you need to understand how to program with Liquid, how to work with Liquid, how to build a Shopify API gateway, and most importantly, like these days now, e-commerce clients, they are looking into integrating blockchain technology into e-commerce stores, like creating a token gated NFT e-commerce stores on Shopify. So as a web developer, these are the concepts which you need to understand and for you to be an effective and a professional web developer. So that is the second service you can render as a web developer or as a freelancer. The third service you can render and which you can make money and sales with Shopify is you can work as a Shopify marketer. So assuming you are, maybe this relates to those individuals, maybe you are someone that you have existing skills relating to marketing. You can somehow pitch yourself to existing e-commerce store owners, and from there you can get more sales if you have the skills. Like maybe you have marketing skills, you have social media marketing skills, like affiliate marketing skills and all these kind of skills. you can pitch yourself, your services to the e-commerce store owners, and they can from there get you more they can hire you for their service, and maybe they pay you to help them get sales on their Shopify stores. So these are different concepts, whereas you as a freelancer or as a web developer, you can actually upsell yourself and get more sales based on the kind of services you are rendering. So as a Shopify developer, you need to understand that Shopify is a dynamic website CMS builder, like compared to other CMS websites platforms like WordPress, like Squarespace, like Wix. Shopify gives you the flexibility to work with different templates, to work with different private and public applications which you can install to add more features and to make your e-commerce store customization looks more responsive and professional. And you can add complex features to your application. So you can even advance your skill as a web developer, a Shopify web developer, to include services like building a custom private and public application for your e-commerce stores, maybe for your clients. And for instance, for like based on the example I said earlier, like some clients these days, they want you to, maybe they are planning to like integrate blockchain and NFT token gated into their e-commerce stores. So as a web developer, a Shopify web developer, you can actually scale up your service and learn about blockchain. So these are different ways which you can actually grow your service and your skills as a web developer, making use of Shopify CMS platform. So I believe this video has been helpful to you. I believe you've learned one or two things in this video. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.